Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know what is UOB One Card Quarterly Cash Rebate. In order to understand what is UOB One Card Quarterly Cash Rebate, you could follow these steps. Now, the UOB One Card Quarterly Cash Rebate is a lump sum of cashback that cardholder receive for meeting a minimum spending requirement each month in a quarter. Now, the amount of rebate depends on the tier of the minimum spend met, such as tier 1, that means spend at least $500 in a quarter with at least 5 card transactions and receive $50 in cashback. Likewise, spend at least $1,000 in the quarter with at least 5 card transactions and receive $100 in a cashback. And for tier number 3, it's to spend at least $2,000 in a quarter with at least 5 card transactions and receive $200 in cashback. Now, to be qualified for a rebate, cardholder must meet the minimum spending requirement in each month of the quarter. For example, to qualify for the first quarter of the year, cardholder must meet the minimum spending requirement in January, February, and March. So this way you could do it. So now you could also disable a payment function on your DPS. This way you could do it. So here, if you go to this link, that is uob.com.sg/personal card cashback one card page, and you could go and apply for it. This way you could follow the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.